all of them don't they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask
pila ne?
them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I get lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Mom. Welcome to the food court. Come. What are we eating? What are you buying?
Angizazi.
Boruslana.
I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn that back together. I'm your girl.
But then whom's am I? I know how to style this. I will definitely know how to style this. So it can be like kind of cute and stuff. Oh, that's huge. This is like extra large. Wow. Just wow. You see how fun it looks? Just see afterwards. I'm gonna style it. We are Praetorian ladies. We know how to style this. So stay tuned and see how I'm gonna style this. I'm definitely gonna style it very nice. You see? Should know how to put it. Just a minute. Got this. Whom's am I? Whom's am I? I'm the girl. I think I can. Never. Give me an oversized thing and I'll show you how to actually make it a sexy thing. I should have done it for sure earlier. When? But it's very, it's great. Very good. This is big. Oh, okay, I'm finishing up.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that.
So hungry.
I'm happy that, although you do, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, you talk, I go do, me another girl for my people. Loving you, now in my ritual. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time.
Where's my phone? My heart is shaped like mirror. It's shaped like mirror.
Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space. I need it, baby, I'm late, but I take a chance with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, my body.
Yeah. I have a running nose. I've been having this flu for like weeks now. I think
But you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
I'm tired.
Baby, I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
Hi. Oh, sorry. Can I just realize? Sorry. Thanks. I thought these doors. No, it's okay. You want me to? I'm my own. That's what I want to do. What do you think you should do? If no, I think you think this way. What do you do though? I mean, but then this is the. Yeah. But it's no. You feel like it's too high, yeah, and this will be yes, this can keep it fine. I will if I also can keep it, I will probably do it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh my god. Guys, this is too much. That's why we don't put makeup on because of this running noise. They were wrong on ruin my makeup. There's no way. Put on makeup. Parang mostly kan.
Quanto di buona rega.
take their ass back to the club real quick.
Ori, you want to understand why I'm putting like wigs on and stuff. Mara, you said Mara no unalo tata le manala ka le di bros why? Lidi lashes why? Kele naturally. But then you always ask you always ask me why kiken lash. Like now when I came you asked me why kiken lash. Why kiken manala. Kadirata, I love them.
Mara, I love you when you are very nice.
Thank you, baby. I love you too. I love putting lashes on, weaves. I'm natural. I have natural. Do you know my afro? Yes, I have my. It's black. I dyed it again. It's no longer like brown. It's black now. So I have
Mara, nearly brown every time. Your real hair is brown.
It's not. It's black. That one I dyed it. I put dye on it. So now I'm back to my natural hair because now I'm growing my natural hair again. Yes, miraka like keminyani mo rokata like and then keminyani like it's small. It's like eight more. No, I can't. You know why? Because it's not long. It's here. If my initial hair fell so rokata mo rokona feta kapi. Tusamana.
Now it's a whole body.
I get a wood. But the last thing I will give him a short hair was. Oh, you remember? I had short hair with a brown energy daily. What can I say? I don't want to the question. I don't know pizza. I didn't know. That's why they get a girl and I have a no, just to ask of you, just use this. I don't know. I can't in that. Why do I take you who is it like 8 years, 7 years ago? We do it 8 years this year. 8 years ago. Why are you? Hey, ma, who are the rain at you? Well, that will be out dramatic.
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
It's a what you want. It's a good one. You propose you in it. What's that? What's that? Something cute me and I since got a hospital was got a so thank you. So thank you. Mommy, Dad. go blue tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tie. Cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Hit me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city. Call them off cause you call them off for me. You're always going on and on. Got it all, ask me why I never leave. I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Besides you, on the low.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were darling. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now about what you feel me play, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you.
Three horses.
I will
Three
wait
legs, three
for
horses.
you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind.
Our combination.
Help me understand
So we gotta our way to get wishes and
why you
bread.
made a war that was fighting. Now.
It's take 100 rand.
And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me.
So now
then
we're
you
going to
come
calculate our
back,
beat
and then you go ahead. With your dab,
Which is
yeah.
100
Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life
gave
of the
us
hopeless?
0.6.
Now that you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to
So now we're going to calculate our
running
dividend.
away to the land of the stopping.
16.6.
Running away from the suffering I'm calling. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits.
Yeah, we'll go again and minus 20%. So what about it?
When you speak all like
No,
it's
before
not
that, not put it
silence.
like a figure
Turn
for
it
the
back
peer.
from all the pain and
Yeah,
violence.
so it's a leaving.
So we will use the limitations of 20%. Our dividend is 6 minus 20%.
Oh,
Give us 20.38 It's combination, it's 16.66, right?
yeah.
And then we're gonna say it's 16.66 minus 20% leaving, which is gonna give you 13,
3. Yeah, it's converted.
We were 13,328, so we converted the 8 to 3. It was more than 5 years converted if you did pure ends. No. You had yeah, it's listen to this is what we got. So we already go to the things now. Yeah, they think 4 and 3. It's only more than 5. You going to turn it to 3. Yeah. So we're going to run it and then now.
Okay. And then we times that by net post.
Okay. So now we have our dividends, right?
So why did they see multiply the BTT? But our but our net which is and then take time to get the potential available. 0.7 3,748 about 50 cents.
Not done, not done. Still gonna eat. We're coming back for you.
Hi, sinners. You see, for working for a corporate company that does events, it's something else. I just came back from work like 4:30, and I'm going to work right now. I have an event that is starting at 6. I'll be working the whole night. So it's a lot. I just wanted to explain to you guys how these days I am not posting. It's because I don't have time for edit. I don't have time for editing and all those stuff. I'm preparing my okra water right now. I really don't have time anymore. I am shooting a lot. Honestly, I am shooting a lot, but I don't have time to edit. I don't have time to edit, and there's a lot in it. And I am trying to why is it doing like this? I am trying to change my content. I want something good, I want something new, I want something fresh. So Vele to edit is really gonna take time because I'm changing a lot. I want to change a lot on my YouTube videos. So when I edit, I want all enough time to myself. You see, this is me preparing for work. At 5:00, I'm going to work. I'm not complaining though. This is the life that I chose. So what's it do with the mullahs? More money for me, bitch. So please forgive me all for those who really are waiting for my content. Those who really are waiting for my content. I promise that I'm gonna deliver something good. I promise I'm gonna deliver something good, something different, something nice, something that shows that okay, she has upgraded. I promise that, I need enough time for all the edits and everything so I can give you guys the best. So let me go work, Sana. I need this money. Signing out.
Coming with the extension.
Yeah, is it 2?
Is it 2?
Yeah.
Uria.
Let's see how Sorry, sorry.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm empty. I don't want no one, no one, no one, no one, no one, no one.
Lovely. Actually, indawo yokujima just because wethatha mara ngitholela yes I know ukuthi ngitholela namba angizonke get that umuntu kumele nihayi lapha ngoba kukhona nani that's why ngicela ukuhamba because ngeke usose la ngithola mara ngithatha video ngaphandle ngithatha ungitholela but angijima la ngithatha la Hayo. Ngiyantshela wena. Space. Ushiya space for this joy la ngeke wona ukuthi kuke mina. Angazi nami. Kodwa mina ngiyangena into ngiyenza into ngiyenza ngihambe. That's how I'm going to finish this. I'm going to because I started to do it. I could be how long I am. This is very personalized. You should have moved months. I look at it. Wena ngakholelana kana endlini lakhe sakholelana ngifuna yakusebenza ngoba thanda umlakazi ungangiyekela athi thula uze ngiyashintshela ukuthi ngeke ngenzeni ngenzeni ingayenzi ngiyakuthatha ibhilikela hayi awubanda 20 I have to be on 3 1 day.